Hey fam, Tech Life just got juiced with the Intel Core i9-11900K. This isn't just a processor, it's your ticket to elite computing. Packing 8 cores, it screams up to 5.3 GHz, totally unlocked. Install it easy with the LGA-1200 socket for that slick PCB fit. 16 MB of L3 cache keeps things speedy and efficient, every time. Rockin' a 14nm design, for epic balance of cost and performance. Graphics? No issues, Intel UHD Graphics 750 got your back, bro. Connect up to 3 monitors and elevate your visual game. Ready to supercharge your setup? The Intel i9-11900K is pure fire. Don't miss out on this powerhouse, your rig needs it now. Grab yours quick before they're all snatched up. Let's go.